What would a coffee with the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash be like? This is the question that many people are curious about. On one side is the space to relax and enjoy familiar drinks. On the other side is the modern, fast, and clean automatic motorbike washing technologies in just a few minutes. When these two factors are combined, what will happen? In today's video, we will explore in detail the customer experience, the benefits for the shop owner, and especially the process of transporting and installing the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash to ensure the machine operates smoothly from the very first day. Imagine the weekend morning, you drive to your familiar cafe, park your motorbike in the washing area, then comfortably choose a table to sit outside, order a cup of hot coffee, while you read some news, surf social network. Outside, the motorbike has been entered into the system. The white foam sprayer covers the entire motorbike body. The automatic brush rotates evenly, removing dirt and mud stuck in every corner. Then the high-pressure water spray system washes away all stubborn stain. It all happens in just 4 to 5 minutes, and when you take another sip of coffee, turn around and look. The motorbike is sparkling clean, ready to accompany you all day long. This is the difference that customers love, killing two birds with one stone. Instead, if having to drive all the way to the motorbike wash, then wait 20 to 30 minutes in impatient. Now customers can enjoy coffee and take care of their motorbike wash needs in the same amount of time. Fast, convenient, comfortable, and that is the experience that the Go&Go coffee's model combined with the automatic motorbike wash bring. For the shop owner, installation an automatic motorbike wash is like expanding another business right in their own shop. Instead of just selling drink, the shop now has a new service, attracting more customers, staying longer and spending more. Think about it. A customer comes to a motorbike wash. While waiting, they will order a cup of coffee, sometimes order a snack. And after experiencing the automatic motorbike wash service, they are so impressed that they recommend their friends and colleagues to try it. So revenue increases from both sides, coffee and motorbike wash service. The important point is that with the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash, the shop owner does not have to worry much about human resources. Only one person needs to operate. The rest of the machine will do almost all the work. From spraying foam, scrubbing spraying, the machine operates stably, tirelessly, and does not depend on worker skill. Thanks to that, the shop owner saves significantly on labor costs, while the service quality is always consistent from morning to night. But to have a machine running smoothly from the first day, behind that is a very professional transportation and installation process. At Go&Go factory, before leaving the factory, each machine is thoroughly checked, from the central motor, water pump, cleaning brush system, to the control circuit board. After that, the machine is tested through the entire washing process to make sure there are no errors. Once it meets the standards, the machine will be packed with specialized shock-proof and moisture-proof material. Go&Go use specialized vehicle for transportation, ensuring the machine is always safe throughout the journey. Upon arrival at the location, the technical team will resurface the site, treat the foundation, arrange the drainage system, connect 380-volt electricity, and track the water supply. Next is the assembly of the entire machine frame, rotating brush, circuit board, and motor, and adjust in detail. The machine will then be tested many times to ensure everything is stable. Not only stopping at installation, the Go&Go technical team also directly instructed the shop staff on how to start, select the washing mode, add snow foam solution, and monitor the control panel. Thanks to that, as soon as the handover, the shop were able to confidently operate smoothly without interruption. In fact, many coffees after installation the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash machine have quickly become the hot destination in the area. People come not only for the delicious drink, but also for the convenience, being able to chat with friends and having a clean bike to go to home. In today's fast-paced life, customers are willing to choose the way that helps them save time, and the coffee combined with an automatic motorbike wash is the answer to that need. Not only stopping at a few single stops, this model can also develop into a modern coffee Motorbike wash chain. Imagine in every district, everywhere in the city, there is the coffee like that. Customer can drink water and wash their bike wherever they go, creating a new consumer habit. This is the trend that's being from, and whoever goes first will have the biggest advantage. Third, it can be seen that the coffee with the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash machine not only bring outstanding convenience to customers, but also open up a stable and sustainable source of revenue for the owner. This is not only an interesting combination, but also a smart business model, keeping up with the trend of automation and saving time. Something that customers are always looking for today. If you are the own a coffee or have a large space and want to find a different, effective business model that is less dependent on worker, then this is time for you to seriously consider. Contact Go&Go now for detailed advice, real-life experience, and start the journey of building a modern, unique coffee motorbike wash that attract customers from the very first day. Invest now, catch the trend tomorrow with the Go&Go.